guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face using different makeup that I've never used before. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. So I've already moisturised my skin. I'm going to take Urban Decay's setting primer, and this one is in Rebound, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to take a foundation, and the foundation I'm going to use today is by TooFaced, and it's Born This Way, and it is in Pearls, and it just looks like that. Blend that in using my Aoife blending brush. Foundation, I'm just going to take a loose powder, and the one I'm taking is by Clinique, and it just looks like that. And I'm going to take a Real Techniques powder brush to apply that with. Bronzer next, and the one I'm taking is by Urban Decay, and it's their Beach Bronzer, and it's in Bronzed, and it just looks like that. And I'm just going to apply that using my multitask brush by Real Techniques. Take a concealer next, and the one I'm taking is by Yves Saint Laurent, and it is their Touche Eclat, and it's in number 2 Ivory, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to take the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty, which is this one here, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing on the eyes. So the first shade I'm going to take is this burnt orange shade, which is called Blazing. Shade I'm going to take is the Saffron shade, which is directly below the burnt orange. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to take Amber, which is this shade here. Take this OUD shade, which is kind of like a deep brown. So next I'm going to take Neveretti, which is this light gold glitter here. liquid eyeliner by Kat Von D in Trooper Black, which just looks like that. I'm just going to go and clean up the under eye again. Some false eyelashes off camera. I'm going to go in next with a mascara, and this one is by TooFaced and it is their Better Than Sex mascara. Going to take a blusher by NARS, and it is their Orgasm blusher, which is this one here, and it just looks like that. Next, I'm just going to take a highlighter by Fenty, which is this one here. So I'm just going to take this shade here, which is Girl Next Door, and I'm going to apply that to my face then as well. I've just taken a lipstick by MAC, which is this shade here, and it is in Honeylove. And I'm just taking a lip pencil by Rimmel in Addiction, which just looks like that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.